Hey guys, this is Quick Learn. For this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Play Store on your iPhone or iPad and how you can download any Android apps to your iOS devices. This video will be really helpful and easy to follow, so please make sure to watch the whole video until the end. The first step is going to Settings, and then we're gonna look for the App Store app. So just scroll down. And then open it and turn automatic downloads on. Now that you've done that, go back to settings and then tap on general. Now tap on background app refresh and then make sure that it's turned on. So now that you have all of those done, let's go to Safari or any other browser that you have, and then search for mod4share.com. Once you're here, look for Play Store Plus Plus and just tap on install. In my case, I don't have to install it because I'm not really into Play Store and I don't really need it, but if you do, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. So it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.